Here is the story of poo.
Hey everybody, I hope you can hear me. This is a tracing of our septic system. The septic out comes through the wall just down here, which is below the floor level in the house. Comes down through this white pipe here that you can see, and comes into this tank here, the first dump tank. If you look down in the hole here where the camera's coming, you'll see it's a pretty big tank. It's about 6 foot by 8 foot by 8 foot, and that will be able to fill up with the solids and liquid waste. That'll break down in here based on bacterial decomposition and microbes and stuff that eat everything up, and it'll turn it mostly liquid. The liquid part will flow out through this white pipe over here and into this small distribution box, which has 4 pipes coming out of it. That's just to separate so that it can all flow out. 4 pipes run out here. They're all running slightly downhill, and they're capped at this end over here. It's perforated pipe, so it has holes in it, and all the liquid flows out through this down through 6 or 7 feet of sand. When it gets down to the bottom, there's a solid bottom with another pipe coming out of it. And that pipe you can see over this way. This pipe down here then takes the water out to the last lateral where the water is distributed to flow into the ground. In earlier years, this was the end of most septic systems, but now we have to have a further one. This flows down here into the woods where we are. It goes quite a ways. We had this all dug out by a contractor named Twig, and he and his dad dug this all out in about 2 days. And then last week on Friday we had the inspector come out and take a look at it, and they gave us the approval for the septic system. That's one of the big steps on the certificate of occupancy, which is sort of the end goal that we're working towards so we can move into the house. This pipe's all PVC, and it'll all get buried down here. The last little spot that you can see down here. Okay.
See how far we've come.
The last little spot is this small distribution box again down here, which splits it into 2. And then those 2 pipes, just like the other ones we saw at the end, run out and are capped, but they're perforated so they can flow down into the ground. And that's our septic system. Hope everybody's doing great.